WDP.com is the most comprehensive management platform for safety equipment for any organization that wants to ensure employees work safely. The platform helps and relieves you in providing employees with personal protective equipment, PPE, in an efficient, conscious, and insightful manner. This allows them to work even more safely. You manage and order the company-owned product hammer. You also manage users and budgets, giving you complete control over all purchases. The detailed reports and the dashboard provide insights and encourage organizations to better understand their safety processes. We always start with an exploratory conversation. This is to better understand your safety process. In this way, a PPE selection will be set up that you can later place online. This will ensure that the right employee can only order the appropriate PPE for his or her tasks. All technical data sheets and certificates are also always available online. There are various options to maintain control over the ordering process. An approval flow. This will ensure that after each order, approval is required from a responsible party. A budget control based on quantity or amount or a combination of both. The delivery options can also be customized to your organization, in the internal warehouse, at the employee's home, or in a parcel locker. Products with high consumption, such as gloves, earplugs, and masks, can be made available to your employees 24/7 through vending machines.
The vending machine ensures that materials are available at the right time in the workplace through 3 methods: through package deliveries, through the withdrawal of consumables, and by managing materials. Orders can be delivered to the parcel machine. The buyer receives a notification that their package is available. Critical products are available 24/7 in the workplace. Employees can only take products that are relevant to them. The inventory replenishments are aligned with actual consumption and can be automated. Replenishments of the machines can be done by the customer themselves, but Vendor Putin can also do that for you. All materials can be managed. This includes items such as keys, walkie-talkies, fall protection, as well as tools. The software indicates when a tool is charged or needs to be charged, when a mask requires maintenance, when fall protection needs to be inspected, and when it is available for use again. This ensures that materials are used as efficiently as possible, resulting in automatic savings in the purchase of materials as well as time savings. You have 24/7 complete insight into the available stock and consumption on WDP.com, allowing deviations to be traceable and stock to be optimized. Moreover, the solution can be fully customized and is developed for industrial environments. The machines are implemented and materials are adapted to a production site. It is a modular solution, allowing for continuous expansion. Integration with the most common ERP and other software packages is possible. Our distribution systems continue to operate even during power outages and loss of internet connection.
The management platform and the distribution solutions work together through a single integrated software package, allowing the safety process to be monitored from selection to maintenance. By involving your employees in the ordering process, it not only becomes more efficient, but you also increase the awareness and engagement of all colleagues.